Well, welcome back to the channel. Today I just finished converting this tractor here to a filter and a drain tube on the other side. And let's open this up, see what's in here, and see how much oil it holds. So I punctured a hole at the bottom here and right here, and it's draining oil there right now. You can press this down a little bit here too. More oil will come out. I can press this down here. I'm gonna let that drain there for a little bit. And use a zip cut wheel there and cut that off here. All right. Drain the rest of the oil in here. And all it is a small filter and this much oil. That's crazy. And that's it for that too. All the oil in there is that much. I don't think it's 3/4 of a liter. I'm draining the rest of the oil in here. I'll let that drip for about 5 minutes. Just past 0.6 of a liter. We probably lost maybe 100 milliliters, which is about this much oil, probably. So it doesn't even hold 1 liter or 3/4 of a quart, maybe. Just past 600 millimeters. Man, doesn't hold much oil. For that amount of money, you get this much oil. So you're changing not even a third of what the oil is in the motor, and you get a filter. That's it. What a rip off. All right, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.